Hello guys, you know about me? I am Yuvi the Great. Today we learn about water cycle. First, you know about water? आप क्या जानते हैं water क्या होता है? आप जानते हैं what is blue planet? All living things require water to survive. Life exists on the water. Earth because of the presence of water on it. The water covers 3/4 of our planet's surface. This is why it is known as the blue planet. If you see the pictures of the earth taken from the space, it appears blue. We use water for drinking, bathing, cooking, and watering plants, and laundering. Water is also used in transportation and electricity generation. Without water, we cannot imagine our life. Plants and animals too need water to live. Guys, now I'm explaining about sources of water. First is natural sources of water, and third is artificial sources of water. We have various sources of water. The water sources are of two types, natural and artificial. These includes natural sources of the water. These includes river, lakes, ponds and seas, ocean and groundwater and rainfall. Artificial sources of water. These sources are man-made, which include wells, tubes, and hand pumps. Then I'm explaining about forms of water. Water have three forms. First is solid, gas, and liquid. Water changes its form on heating and on cooling. When we put water in an ice tray in the freezer of a refrigerator, the water in it turns into ice. This process of water turning into ice is called freezing. When we heat ice, it changes into liquid. That is water. When water is heating, it turns into steam. This process of water turning into the steam or water vapor is called evaporation. When water evaporates, cools down and changes into water droplets. This process in which water evaporates changes into water droplets is called condensation. Friends, then I am explaining about water cycle. In natural, water exists in all three forms naturally. These forms are interactable to the heat on the sun. Water from rivers, ponds, lakes, and ocean evaporates and goes up as water vapor. When water vapor goes high in the sky, it comes in contact with cold air, so the vapors cool down and condense to form tiny drops of water. These tiny drops cling together to form clouds. On further cooling, these tiny drops become heavy and fall as rain. In hilly areas, the water drops freeze and fall as snow. This process of falling rain and snow of earth is called precipitation. The rainwater then flows down into ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans, from where it again goes up due to the heat of the sun. This continuous movements of water is natural called water cycle. तो फ्रेंड्स, आपको पता चला वाटर साइकिल क्या होती है? तो अब मैं समरी में समझाता हूँ। जब पानी भाप बन के ऊपर जाता है हम उसे इवेपोरेशन कहते हैं, और जब पानी क्लाउड फॉर्म में जमा होता है उससे हम कहते हैं कंडेंसेशन, एंड जब पानी ड्रॉपलेट्स में ज़मीन में गिरता है उससे हम कहते हैं प्रेसिपिटेशन। एंड दिस इज 3 मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ वाटर साइकिल। सो आपको कैसी लगी मेरी वीडियो? लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर। और आपको गंदा लगा कुछ तो बताना, और अच्छा लगा तो कुछ बताना। थैंक यू। Hello guys, I am Yuvi the Great. Today we explaining about water cycle. First, water cycle have 3 stages. First is evaporation, second is condensation, and third is precipitation. इन इवेपोरेशन हम भाप कहते हैं, वो इवेपोरेशन होता है। और जब ड्रॉपलेट्स कलेक्ट हो, मतलब क्लाउड ड्रॉप इवेपोरेशन से जब भाप ऊपर जाके एक क्लाउड में कलेक्ट होता है उसे हम कहते हैं कंडेंसेशन। एंड जब वो प्रेसिपिटेशन से नीचे जाता है उसे हम कहते हैं प्रेसिपिटेशन। एंड यही चलते रहता है, इसे हम कहते हैं वाटर साइकिल। लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।